Decoding the phrase, black eye. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving into a common English phrase that you might hear in conversations or read in books, black eye. Let's explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it in sentences. A black eye literally refers to the discoloration and bruising around someone's eye. This can happen due to an injury, like getting hit by a ball or bumping into something. Example, after the baseball hit Tom, he got a black eye. In English, black eye can also have a metaphorical or figurative meaning. When used this way, it refers to a blemish on one's reputation or harm to one's public image. Example, the scandal gave the company a black eye in the media. Let's see how we can use black eye in various sentences. 1. Literally, be careful when playing sports. You don't want to end up with a black eye. 2. Figuratively, the recent data breach gave the tech firm a black eye among its users. 1. When used literally, it's describing a physical injury. 2. When used figuratively, it's about a negative impact on reputation. 3. Context is key. Always pay attention to the surrounding words and situations to understand its use. And there you have it. The phrase, black eye, can mean more than just a bruise. It can be about one's image or reputation too. English is full of such phrases that have both literal and figurative meanings. Stay curious, and keep learning. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the nuances of the phrase, black eye. Until next time,